season 2. So we ain't gotta sell pussy, we make money moves. My flow sick, they call it the pandemic. I'm teaching wealth plays the money, I'm gon' get it.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Artist Gemini. And before I begin this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can get all the information on any credit updates, any credit hacks, and join the credit gang, period. Gang, gang, gang in the building. So stay tuned for more of this video and keep watching. So in today's video, I will basically go step by step on how I got approved for an $8,000 loan with no documentation, with no paperwork, and with only being with Navy Credit Federal for about 4 months. Okay, you guys? I want to show you guys something that I got in the mail from Navy Federal Credit Union, okay, so that you guys know that I am actually a member. And I will insert, a little picture of my account with them. Now, I have a personal account with the Navy Federal, and I have a business account with the Navy Federal. I have not done anything with my business account with Navy Federal because I have a couple of things lined up, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But I did ask them for a loan, a personal loan for me because I wanted to upgrade my car. Now, if you know me personally, you guys know that I have my own business, and I actually started my vending machine business. So this requires me to have to drive to far locations to fill up my vending machines. And the car that I had, it was a little bit on the older side, and I have been having it for about 4 years. I love my Toyota Camry. Shout out to anybody that got a Toyota Camry. I don't care if it's a 98 or what, sis or bro. Like, them cars get you to and through the mud, okay? Period. And I had a 98, okay? But I wanted to upgrade my car, and figuring out all this credit information that I've gained over the last 2 years, I've learned that you should never go to a dealership and have these people running your credit to see which bank is going to approve you. I feel like that was never taught to a lot of people in my community. When I was younger, I used to just go to car dealerships, let them run my credit, like just approve me for whatever, with whatever. Like, I'm just trying to get in a car today. Not realizing that they're pulling your credit. Each bank is pulling your credit to identify if they are willing to give you a loan or not based on your credit report and credit history, okay? So if you're not in good standings with, the credit bureaus or any type of loans that you have taken out, they will deny you, or they will charge you buku on any type of loan that you'll get. And your monthly payments will be sky freaking high, okay? There's no reason why you should be paying rent or mortgage on a car just because you need a car, okay? That's out. No one's doing that anymore. And I found that do not go to Bank of America, do not go to Chase, do not go to Wells Fargo, do not go to any of the mainstream banks. Always try to get a loan from a credit union, okay? So with credit unions, they're smaller banks. Not too many people bank with them, but they're the best banks to have, okay? Especially if you have a business or if you have aspirations in getting and obtaining a business under an LLC, correct? Always go with the credit union to do any of your business banking accounts, okay? Now, I have a personal account with them because I knew Navy Federal Credit Union. That's a very large bank. Well, small, large credit union that a lot of people know of. It's not really easy to get in Navy Credit Federal. Okay, listen, y'all. I'm just call it Navy Federal, okay? Because I'm just getting all my words twisted up. It's not easy to get in Navy Federal. But if you or anyone that you know has a banking account with the Navy Federal, all you have to do is ask them for their member ID or say, hey, can I use your name to get into Navy bank? Okay, so that's what I did. A lot of the Navy banks, like, in order for you to get in, a family member or someone you know has to have been in the service, you know, the Navy, the Marine, the Army, and what it is, the Air Force. Okay, so I have a little brother who's in the Army. I have an auntie who's in the Army as well. So it was no problem for me to get a banking account with them. And actually, my father has a Navy banking account because I remember him telling me. And so I just said, hey, Dad, you know, I want to open up a bank account. Is it okay if I use your name? Of course, he said, yes, baby girl, go ahead. Like, you know, whatever information they need from me, just let me know and I'll give it to you. So that's what I did. It took about 2 weeks. It took about 2 weeks to get approved. The whole process to get approved, like for me doing my application, them checking, you know, backgrounds and stuff like that. And I finally got accepted. They sent me electronic paperwork to sign, and then I asked them for a checking account. Now, when you sign up for a checking account, sometimes they ask you for $100 to put in your banking account, but there's ways that you can go around that. And if you subscribe to my channel, I will be dropping more videos on tricks and hacks about any credit or type of credit unions. Okay, so like I said, subscribe to my channel right now, like now, okay, not yesterday, now. And I found out to bank with Navy Federal because they give small businesses and personal loans. Okay, they don't give you a hard time trying to get a loan. So reverting back to me only having this banking account for only about four months. So I called up Navy Federal and I spoke to a gentleman and I said, hey, I am trying to get, no, it was a young lady. I spoke to a young lady and I said, hey, I'm trying to get approved for an auto loan through my personal account that I have with Navy Federal. Okay. Now I wanted just a personal card for myself and to also help build my credit up even more as I'm trying to get to an 800 credit score for, you know, many thousands of reasons why we're all trying to get there. But yeah, so I said, hey, I want an auto loan. Like, what do I have to do? She said, oh, okay, no problem. I'm like, oh, okay. Okay, let's do this, right? So I'm like, so what do I need and what information are you guys looking for? So really, I'm just going to spill the beans and the tea and get right into this video because I want it to be kind of a short video just to let you guys know real quick information. All she asked me for was my employer information. I told her that I'm not employed. I have my own business. They know that because I have a business banking account with them, right? Okay. So I put them down. I put my own business down as my employer. And she asked me how much money I'm bringing in a month from my business. I let her know that information. She asked me how much money are you trying to get approved for? And knowing me, I said, I'm not going to shoot for 20,000 this time. I'm not going to shoot for 20,000. I'm not even going to shoot for 10,000. I'm going to see if they're going to approve me for 8,000, right? So she said, okay, no problem. So she puts down, she wants to get approved for 8,000. She said, is it a new or used car? I said, it's going to be a used car. She said, okay, no problem. So everything that I'm telling her that I want, she's putting down in the system. She's filling out the application online as she's asking me these questions. So yes, you will have to fill out an application, but if you call them, they can just fill out the application for you over the phone. Okay. So we're going through some more questions. I think she asked me, do I know what kind of car I want? Like, do I have a specific car that I'm trying to get? I said, no, I'm just going to go to a used lot and look and find something, you know, between, you know, the $8,000 and that's what it's going to be. So she let me know, she said, you know, that, you know, nothing is a problem. I'm putting your application through. So after our application process was done, she said, okay, give it only 24 hours and they'll let you know if you got approved or not. I was ecstatic because I already knew I was going to get approved. I was like, honey, I'm at it. My credit score is in the 700s, B. So I already know I'm going to get approved, okay? So I waited those 24 hours. She said, check back on your Navy Federal app, because I had the app. So I went online. I'm up at like, 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, let me see if they approve me for this loan, right? So I open my app. I go in there and I click on applications. And then it says application completed. I got approved for that $8,000 auto loan, okay? So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I want it to be short and sweet because I usually tend to talk too much, okay? So make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? I need to get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month, and that is my goal. So please help me out, you guys, with subscribing, liking, and commenting on my channel. I love you guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll be dropping another video next week. Peace.